how to download and install Filmora 13 in Windows 10 laptop or computer desktop. First, open any browser and go to search bar and search there Filmora 13 download. When you search Filmora 13, then you have to click on download and Filmora 13 download. When you search, then click on it, and after that you can see first website filmora.wondershare.net. Then just click on it. When you click on it, here you can see the free download option for Windows 10 and for Windows 11 and below. If you want to download, then just click on free download, or here you can see the again option of download. Just click on any option. When you click on any option, your Filmora will be downloaded. It will take few minutes, and when it will download it, just click on it. When you click on it, it will allow this app to make changes to your device. Then you have to click on yes. After clicking on yes, it will takes times to install on your device. And here you can see you have to click on I have read and agree to the Wondershare. After clicking on, you have to click on install option. When you click on install option, your installation of Filmora 13 will be started, and you can use Filmora after installation. It will take few minutes. I am pausing the video at a moment. When your installation loading is completed, then you will see this type of screen. Then you have to click on start now option. When you click on start now option, it will go to your Chrome browser. Then just minimize that and go to search bar and search there Filmora. When you search Filmora, then just click on Filmora, and now you will be able to use Filmora 13. And this is a tutorial how we can download and install Filmora 13 in Windows 10.